let us see one more example. This one. Now let us try to solve this particular example. See, if you observe this example, we have a circle, a bigger circle of diameter. I think this is 96, 98. Yes, this is 98. Okay, so draw a circle of diameter 98. Go to diameter and 98. Okay, that's fine. Just I was moving a bit to the right. Okay, now I want to draw this. Obviously, polar array has been used. But before that, you need to understand how they have made this. First, you need to draw this particular circle. Can you see that? Yes, this particular circle. And that circle is having a diameter of 68. Can you see that? Yes, 68 diameter. So draw that. Concentrate to this. Go to diameter 68. Exactly. Now, on to that, on top of that, we have small circles of 8 diameter. How much? 8 diameter. Exactly. 8 diameter. Go to diameter and it should be 8. Yes, this is clear. Now, we have one more circle of diameter 54. Go to diameter and type 54. Exactly. Now, you can see that we have to draw two lines here. This one and this one, two lines. And those lines are at a distance of 4. How much? 4. You can see it very carefully. It is 4. So we can do one thing. Just draw a line here. Just draw a line here, vertical line, and you can offset it. Oh, now offset distance must be 2. 2 on the right side, 2 on the left side. So 2 like this. Okay, now you can remove it. I hope this is clear. Now see, we have to trim something. Okay, so let us try to trim. TR, double enter. Trim it, and trim this. And see, we are not able to trim this. We are not able to trim this. Why is it so? Because this is in touch with this. So you can do one thing, extend. Okay, extend, select all, extend it and extend it. Now you can trim it. TR, double enter, trim it. So this is done, and you can change the properties of this line. So go to LT, load. This must be let's add center and also add ISO dash, both the lines. Okay, right? So go to properties of this line, PR, enter, select that line and go to properties and select the line type as center. Like that, you can change the line type scale as 0.7. So it will look something like this. I hope this is clear. Now, we can do one thing. What? We can array it. Go to AR, enter, Select the object to array, select this multiple object. Okay, enter. Now go to polar array. Okay, this should be the center point. Now, how many objects you need to array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. Number of items 12. Exactly. Close array. You can see that. Now go to trim, tr, double enter. Just you have to trim away this thing. So this is done. Okay. Now you can see we have two circles here. One circle right here and another circle right here. Okay. So this circle is having 18 radius and this circle is having, actually what they have mentioned, see, 3 holes of 14 dia. 3 holes of 14 dia means this is a hole here. This is also a hole of 14 dia. This is also a hole of 14 dia. Okay, so place it. How much distance? See, 126 is the total. So 63 above, 63 below. So draw a line, draw a vertical line, draw a vertical line. How much? 63. Draw another vertical line downward, 63. Okay, now draw a circle here. How much? Diameter is 14. So go to diameter and 14. Exactly. Now we have one more circle here of 18 radius. Actually, it's an arc, but I will create a circle and I will trim it. That's the rule which I am following till now. Okay, so radius is 18. So radius 18. Exactly. You can mirror it. We can mirror it. Okay, so draw a mirror line at the center. Draw a mirror line. Okay, so mi, enter. Select this and this, enter. This is the first, this is the second point. So we have mirrored it. Do you want to erase source object? No. That's it. I hope this is clear. Now, we can do one thing. Go to fillet. Go to fillet. See, we have to draw this 12 radius R. So go to radius. Radius is 12. Okay. Now, go to trim and you can choose no trim option so that everything remains there. So select this and this. Okay. Go to again fillet, select this and this, like that. So this is done. Go to trim, tr, double enter, trim this part. Okay, and let rest of the things remain. Trim this part. Now draw an arc. Draw, or we can draw a circle rather, and we will trim it. So go to circle. Which circle? Tangent, tangent radius. Tangent to here, tangent to here, and the radius will be 85. So tangent to this, and radius is 85. So this is done. Trim it. Tree R, double enter. Trim this. Okay. Now trim this as well. Okay. Trim this as well. Now you can delete this thing. This is also done. You can delete this. You can delete this as well. Okay. So this is done. Now we have one more hole here of 14 dia. How much distance from the center? 84. So draw a line of 84. Draw a circle of hole 14. Dia 14. Draw one more circle and the radius must be 22. Right? Now, we can go to fillet. See, how much is the fillet radius? It is 20. So go to fillet, radius is 20. Okay, select this, again select this and this, like that. Now trim, tr, double enter, delete this. Oops, sorry. Tr, double enter, like this. Okay, so this is done and dusted. Now you can easily create this center lines. Okay, directly create those lines. You can directly create those lines. See, track it and place it. Okay, now select this and this, select this and this, and select this and this. Go to properties and select the line type as center and make the scale as 0.7. Okay, so this is done. Or we can add a center line here as well. We have another way to add center line that I will explain later. Okay, so this is it. You can create a center line here as well. Let me create it. Or we can lengthen it. Go to lengthen, len. Okay, go to dynamic, select this and lengthen it to here. Again go to lengthen, dynamic, select this. Okay, so this is it. We can dimension it later once I explain dimension command. Okay, yes.